Alright, Unit 4. In this unit, for the lecture, we're going to be talking about the principles of design. Now last week we talked about the elements being the building blocks of art. Well, the principles of design are how the elements are arranged. And when you're using the elements and you're using the principles, you're creating form, or the composition, the way the artwork is all put together on the page. So this is very important, and you can read about this in the text, and you should too. Now, because this is going to be important for when you do your papers, you need to know this stuff. And also it helps for when you're doing your discussions. This week's video is the last episode of Ways of Seeing, and in this episode Berger is talking about art and advertising, and it's very interesting. So this week's discussion is based on last week's video, Ways of Seeing, this week's video of Ways of Seeing, and also an article that can be found in the discussion topics to the left in Unit 4, and it's called Why Does Art Cost So Effing Much? So you need to watch those two videos and read this article before you do your post. Okay, well that's all for Unit 4. I'll see you next week in Unit 5.